Samsung A7 2017 Teardown and Reassemble.
Warning: you're performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you'll need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, Phillips screwdriver, playing cards.
Power down your 2017 Samsung Galaxy A7. Eject the SIM card and micro SD card from the top of the smartphone. Remove the SIM card tray from the side of the Samsung phone. The Galaxy A7 rear 3D glass panel is glued on solidly and is a tight fit within the frame. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. With the precision knife, create enough space to insert a playing card. Attack the sticky adhesive by carefully dislodging the rear glass panel from the chassis. Remove the following 17 Phillips screws. Pry up the plastic shield that covers the top of the motherboard. Extract the wafer-thin assembly that includes the NFC antenna and loudspeaker. Remove the plastic shield that covers the bottom of the Galaxy A7 motherboard. Starting with the Galaxy A7 battery connector, detach the bevy of cables from the motherboard. Remove the following Phillips screw. Spudge up the motherboard and remove it from the smartphone. Detach the impressive 16-megapixel Galaxy A7 front-facing selfie camera. Flip the motherboard over and remove the 16-megapixel rear-facing camera. The 2017 Galaxy A7 battery is well wedged and adhered in place. Use the triangle opening tool to muscle it free from the adhesive, securing it to the midframe. Extricate the long-lasting 3600 mAh battery. Remove the falling Phillips screw. Pluck out the modular 3.5mm headphone jack. Remove the spring contact connected vibrator. Use the tweezers to pry up the 2017 Galaxy A7 volume buttons cable. The next two components to surrender are the proximity sensor and earpiece speaker. Remove the power button cable from the side of the mid-frame. The 5.7-inch Galaxy A7 display assembly is glued on solidly to the mid-frame. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. With the precision knife, create enough separation to insert a playing card. Use the playing card to attack the adhesive. Take your time and apply additional heat as needed. Once you've sliced through the adhesive, be mindful of the home button and the cables for the bottom buttons when decoupling the 2017 Galaxy A7 screen from the mid-frame. Peel up and remove the bottom button LED cables, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A7 modular home button and fingerprint sensor.
All the replacement parts and repair tools used in this video are available at www.DIYMobileRepair.com. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.